Good morning, buongiorno from Salerno.
We arrived like 30 minutes ago. We had a quick coffee and we parked our car first.
Yeah.
And we ran to catch the ferry to Amalfi Coast. So right now
We
we're
are
at
in a
the
way.
pier. Yeah, we just purchased the ticket. It was 10 euros per person.
It's
which
only
was
one way.
So nice.
10 euros per person.
Yes.
So it's
Then
a
on
little
the
bit
way back,
pricey. We need to pay another.
pay again.
Yeah. So this is the pier to take the boat, guys. I believe it takes about 30 to 40 minutes to get there. I did it one time, like 4 years ago, but the view is amazing. So this is how Salerno looks, which is the south of Italy. It's a quite nice city. I really like it. I really like to see the bridges, and then on top, right here, there is a castle that looks really nice. And I remember at nighttime looks unbelievable. So we'll keep you posted during our trip to Amalfi, and once we arrive there, we'll show you and keep you posted. So stay tuned.
Yeah.
Today, our journey begins in the historical city of Salerno. With its ancient roots reaching back to the Roman Empire, a blend of Asian tradition and modern vibrancy is the perfect beginning prior to our journey on a ferry. 40 minutes later, we arrive in the heart of the Amalfi Coast. With its colorful houses clinging to the mountainside, this town is more than just a visual masterpiece. It's a place steeped in history. Once a maritime superpower, Amalfi equaled Genoa and Venice in the Middle Ages. Welcome to Amalfi.
So we're standing in the most iconic place in Amalfi. Like I've seen this so much all over internet.
But not only that, if you ever watch Aquaman, this is where the fountain where Mira was doing her tricks. And the fight happened right there. Just so that you know. Yeah, it's really nice. Today is very full. It is packed today. And it's only Thursday. You know, so imagine on a weekend how busy this is. You have a couple of restaurants here, quite pricey, but obviously with that view, knowing the location, and there are lots of stores. So if you're looking for, especially girls, women, if you're looking at anything to wear here at the beach or something fresh, they have everywhere this kind of stores. You can buy luggages and flip-flops. They have everything available here. Monika was a victim of capitalism and
Yes,
got that one.
So do you want a sorbetto? Lemon
Yes.
sorbetto, the very famous one?
Yeah,
Okay, so I'll go and
yeah. Monika say that it's called limoncello, but I know it's not called that. It's called lemon sorbet. I was trying to film this, not that. So. Amalfi's charm doesn't stop with its scenic beauty. With its spectacular architecture, the Cathedral of St. Andrew exemplifies the town's memorable past. But the simplicity of enjoying a lemon ice cream made from locally grown lemons truly connect us to the spirit of Amalfi. These lemons are not just fruits. They symbolize Amalfi's sun-kissed land, contributing to the sweet, vibrant life here. I got it because of Monika. You can see how happy she is.
I'm very happy. So my happiness cost only 10 euro.
Each one?
Yeah.
Each one costs 10 euros. If I knew, I would get something else. Not that I'm a cheap guy, but come on guys, 10 euros? The hell?
That's the cost of happiness.
Cost of happiness is cheaper in Thailand. This is the beach here in Amalfi. Not as busy as I was expecting, Yeah, Monica is there getting a chair with Tiara. I'm just came here because I want to go that way to fly the drone and get amazing footage. Yeah, you can see the yachts, the boats right there. There is a small cruise ship right there. And also, guys, if you want to take any tour, like a boat tour, apparently you can rent a boat. I don't know how much it will cost. I will ask later. I'll put the price right here in the bottle. But yeah, you can rent it for hours or by the day. And you choose how many amount of people. And now we are swimming here in Amalfi. The water is so refreshing, guys. It's quite
It
cold.
feels very good.
Like really good. However, there are little fishes and they bite you, they snibble, you know. First time that happened to me, I got scared because I was like, what's going on? We got piranhas right here. But no, I don't think they ever just
Yeah,
letting
so
me
now
up to
I'm
the...
scared and I'm just keeping my feet up. I'm not keeping my feet down. So
Wow.
maybe they think I'm a fish and they won't bite me.
Yeah. Yeah, they think Monica the Little Mermaid. So, yeah, I think that's one of the best tours you can get is by helicopter. Yeah, imagine the view right there. So the public beach is for free. You don't have to pay anything. You can just come in and swim. That's the great part. Now, you know, Amalfi is part of the south coast of Italy, near to Positano and Sorrento. So we're gonna try our best tomorrow to go to Positano. But in the meantime, we're just gonna enjoy here our beautiful day in
We
Amalfi.
will not try our best. We will go to Positano.
Yeah. Well, we were lucky because in the morning the weather was dark. It was
It was cloudy,
partial
yeah, it
cloud.
was- yeah.
But now sun came out and it's perfect for our swimming here in the beach.
Yeah.
Yeah, check that out. There is a castle and the church on top of the mountain on the hill, and then you have all those places right there. Looks really nice. And obviously the church is right here. So we came to this nice restaurant right here in the middle of the main street here in
Amalfi.
Amalfi, right? We got our Aperol Spritz. Cheers.
Cheers.
And
Very Italian, very classic.
yes, and we'll share the food. What's it called? Salute. We got our food. Monica got her gnocchi.
With pistachio cream and salmon. It sounds delicious.
Tiara got the lasagna. It looks delicious. And I got this. It's called frutti di mare. Nom nom. Thank you for joining us on this journey to Amalfi. If you enjoyed this trip through history and beauty, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This is it for today, and ciao for now.